Klassen's Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a solid example of the VIP theme. From the outside, it just looks like a Sprinter with a different grille, a sportier bumper, and fancier wheels. That said, Klassen's front kit will give you an idea of what an AMG version of this van might look like should Mercedes-Benz build one. Underneath, however, Mercedes has designed an all-new architecture that's home to a 113 kWh battery located in the Sprinter's belly and an electric motor driving the rear wheels. While the EPA hasn't weighed in with a driving range estimate yet, we expect it to be around 200 miles per charge. The base Sprinter comes with a rear-wheel drive electric powertrain that makes 134 horsepower, but a more powerful 201 horsepower version is also available. A 113 kWh battery pack is located in the Sprinter's underside between the front and rear axles. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter electric van electrifies a traditional workhorse. While it's been selling small electric vans in Europe for some time, the Sprinter has only recently joined the US market. It'll take a keen eye to tell the newest Sprinter from the gas-powered Sprinters that have been trundling around the US for years, as it wears nearly identical sheet metal.